Can dividing rational expressions simplify complex math so easily? Imagine turning a complicated puzzle into a simple one with just a few steps. That's what dividing rational expressions can do for your algebra problems. When you see a division problem involving fractions with polynomials, it might look tricky at first. But there's a smart trick that makes it much easier. Instead of dividing, you can turn the problem into a multiplication problem. This is called multiplying by the reciprocal. You keep the first rational expression the same, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second fraction upside down. This step alone can make solving much faster and less confusing. Next, you look for common factors in the numerator and denominator of both expressions. Factoring means breaking down the polynomials into smaller parts that multiply together. Once you find these common factors, you can cancel them out. This reduces the expression to its simplest form, making it easier to understand or use in later steps. For example, if you are dividing over y squared by 1 over y, you flip the second fraction to y over 1 and multiply. Then you cancel the y in the numerator with 1y in the denominator, leaving you with x over y. This quick process saves a lot of time and effort. Dividing rational expressions also helps you see where the problem might be undefined. If any denominator becomes 0, the expression doesn't work because division by 0 is impossible. Recognizing these restrictions is important because it tells you which values for the variables are not allowed. This is especially helpful when working with inequalities involving rational expressions. When you divide, you are often simplifying the problem to see where the solution lies. Mastering this division process is a key step for handling more complex algebra problems. It turns what looks like a complicated division into a straightforward multiplication. Factoring and canceling makes the expression smaller and clearer. And understanding restrictions on the variables keeps your solutions accurate. This method makes solving rational expressions more manageable and prepares you for more advanced algebra topics. So yes, dividing rational expressions can make complex math much easier by transforming it into simple, manageable steps.